Whenever I think of Diehl, I see a corporate group driving forward innovative and future-oriented solutions in a variety of markets. Locally, internationally, all over the world. I think of a company that enables the success of its customers with its technological excellence.
Whenever I think of Diehl, I think of a very diversified, family-owned company where I can drive forward important projects. Alone, together, as a team. I think of a company that has always pursued clear and long-term objectives and that has always been looking ahead.
Whenever I think of Diehl, I think of respect and appreciation which is practiced here. Open, fair, based on mutual trust. I think of a company where cooperation allows each individual to turn small ideas into something really great.
Diehl, far more than you think.